I'm Dustin with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'll be showing you how to change out the engine oil and filter on the Honda CRF250 Rally. Keeping up on your engine's maintenance is key to keeping your bike in great shape. Now, when it comes to changing out the engine oil and filter for the Rally, Honda recommends that we are doing this at the first 600 miles and then again every 8,000 miles thereafter. So today I'll be showing you how to change out the engine oil and filter on the 2017 Honda CRF250 Rally, and keep in mind that this process can also be applied to the Honda CRF250L. To do this job, we're just going to need a few basic hand tools. You will want to have a drain pan, a funnel, some rubber gloves, safety glasses, rags, and some contact cleaner. For this job, we're going to be using an OEM oil change kit that will come complete with the engine oil, a replacement oil filter cover gasket, and replacement oil filter. We will also be replacing the OEM drain bolt with a magnetic drain bolt from Tusk. To begin, start by removing the engine guard and/or skid plate. Start the bike and warm up the engine, then shut it off. Place an oil pan underneath the engine. Before removing the fill plug, be sure to clean around it with some contact cleaner. Remove the oil filler cap. Remove engine drain bolt with crush washer and allow the engine oil to drain completely. Remove the oil filter cover bolts. Remove oil filter cover with gasket and spring. Remove the oil filter. Clean the oil filter cover gasket surface and the engine's case mating surface. Be sure to not spray any contact cleaner directly into the engine case's hole. Place the new engine oil filter into the engine, making sure that the outside mark is facing away from the engine. Install the spring into the oil filter cover. Install the new oil filter cover gasket and the oil filter cover. Install the oil filter cover bolts and tighten them to 7 foot-pounds. If you are not replacing the drain bolt, make sure to clean your OEM one and replace the crush washer. Install the engine oil drain plug by hand and then torque to 18 foot-pounds. Then make sure to clean off any residual oil from the engine. Fill the engine with 1.6 quarts of engine oil. Then reinstall the oil filler cap. Start the engine and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes. Shut the engine off, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then recheck the engine oil level with the bike in an upright and level position. The engine oil level should read in between the 2 inspection lines. Add or remove oil as necessary. And lastly, we can reinstall the engine cover and/or skid plate. And that's it. Changing out the engine oil and filter will definitely help you to keep your bike in great shape. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to hit the like button, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product spotlights, how-tos, and top 5s. I'm Dustin with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching, and keep the wrenches turning.